Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Guys, today we're going to talk about something very important, okay? You should have your first $2,000 a month SMMA client by now. A lot of you guys have been watching my videos. You've been knowing about SMMA a long time, and you still have a fat zero, okay? I want you to grab a pen and a piece of paper, and I want you to grab your smartphone, okay? It's time out, guys, for playing games. I'm making too much money in SMMA by myself, okay? Me and my students, okay? I want you guys to join me, okay? I'm hitting some huge numbers right now in social media marketing, and you guys should be playing along with me. It's time out for you guys sitting in the bleachers. It's time for you guys to get out here on the playing field and play SMMA football with me. Guys, boys, girls, gang, okay? It's time out. It's time for you to get your first social media marketing client, okay? All the videos you're watching, all the people you're seeing on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and you're seeing them have success, it's time for you to have success, okay? And the first thing you got to do, ladies and gentlemen, okay, is you have to make your mind up you're going to be successful. Write that down, okay? You have to make up in your mind that you're going to succeed. You're going to get clients in social media marketing, okay? A lot of you guys are so defeated mentally. You never start. A lot of you guys haven't started yet, and I'm getting upset because I want you guys to hit $10,000 a month in 30 to 90 days, and then I want you to hit 20 and 30 and 40 and 50 and 100, whatever you want to do. I want you guys to be able to do it because this is the perfect business, okay? You don't need a college diploma, okay, a degree, all right? You don't even need a high school diploma, okay? I got 16-year-olds that are crushing it in SMMA. Gang, you have no excuse that you should not be successful right now in SMMA. This is the perfect time. Businesses and gyms and everything is starting to open up, you know, from the coronavirus, and people have money. The government has given away billions of dollars. So the money's there. The businesses have the money. The problem is the you factor. You guys aren't taking action. You're making excuses. You haven't bought the course. You won't hire a coach. You're saying you can't afford it. You're saying I can't cold call. Stop it. Right now, no more excuse, okay? I'm coaching you guys right now. This is a high intensity coaching session I'm giving you guys because my goal is to get you guys to the money, okay? And we're not going to get to this money, okay? Let's pull some money out just to make this more real. But you guys aren't going to get to the money, all right, unless you take action. My goal is to get you to the money, all right? I want to get you to the money. That's my goal, all right? And you're not going to get there by chilling, just browsing YouTube all day. You're not going to get there by not applying yourself and doing what's necessary. Okay, so let's break this down real quick. My goal is to get you to your first $2,000 a month client once the video stops. Once this video stops, I want you to take precise action, okay? I want you to allow fears. Let's deal with this too, because a lot of you guys don't want to be rejected, okay? A lot of you guys want to, like I like to say, you want all the lights to be green. That's not how life is, ladies and gentlemen. There's good times and there's bad times. There's good days in business and there's bad days in business. That's life. You have summer, spring, winter, fall, correct? You got 4 seasons. And it's the same thing in life, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, you have adversity. You're going to have with people that don't want what you're offering. And that's okay. You know how many times I've been rejected, ladies and gentlemen? Probably hundreds of thousands of times. But the good thing about it is I'm making thousands of dollars every single month, okay? Every day I make tons of money in SMMA, okay? And it's because I like rejection. All right? It's kind of like, playing football. You're going to get tackled, gang. And if you don't want to get tackled, you got to go sit on the bleachers. But guess what? The people that are on the field are the people that are making the money. The people that are on the bleachers, they're paying the people on the field that's getting tackled. And I want you to think about this. The people in SMMA that are cold calling, that are sending out cold emails, setting up funnels, and, doing video presentations or whatever they're doing, Zooms and Looms, and doing LinkedIn and all the stuff and strategies you can do, direct mail to get clients. Guess what? We're making all the money, okay? Just because you don't get rejected when you send direct mail out, on less than 1%, 2% response rate when it comes to direct mail, that's rejection, ladies and gentlemen. Not everything you do in life is going to work, okay? In fact, 9 out of 10 times the things that you do, only 1 to 2% of it's going to work. So what you have to do is double your rate of failure. The more success that you want, the more failure you're going to have to go through, okay? I want you guys to understand that, all right? So let's deal with something really quick, because this is a big one for most of you guys, okay? And that is you're fearful. You're like, Maurice, you know what? I'm afraid of this. Get a coach, okay? Click the link in the description. You need to hire a coach, someone that can get in the trenches with you, okay? A lot of you guys have anxieties, okay? Your mind is telling you that if you do this, this is what's going to happen, and you start sweating. Because the mind is powerful, man. You can think about something and that happened years ago, and you can actually feel it, and you're not even going through what you're thinking about. That's anxiety, depression. A lot of you guys are depressed, okay? And my goal is to break that mess, okay? Depression is you just focusing on the negativity. You're in a trance. So what I want you guys to do is think about making money. Think about the new car, the house. Think about good things, okay? You have to think about what you want, not what you don't want. And a lot of you guys are thinking about what you don't want, and you wonder why it's showing up in your life, because it's in the soils of your mind. And my goal is to get them negative weeds out of your mind so you can get your first $2,000 a month client this week, this month, today. When this video is over, okay, you are going to get your first client, okay? The journey of 1,000 steps starts now, okay? It starts now. They said, when was the best time to plant a tree? 10 years ago. When is the next best time? Right now, okay? Right now is the time for you to get your first client. Now, here's the action plan, okay? Cold calling is the fastest way for you guys to get your first client, okay? So don't be afraid of it. Embrace it. You got to get training, okay? You just don't get a driver's license until you trained, okay? You don't become a doctor until you trained. You don't become a police officer or an air pilot until you train. Can you imagine going to get behind the wheel of a F-47 or an E-47 or a Boeing 66 without being trained, without a license? You will crash. And a lot of you guys are trying to do cold calling without your license, okay? The first thing I want you to do is get your license. You need to be trained by someone that knows how to cold call, so that when you cold call, you can get results and you can be effective. Click the link in the description. Grab the ICP course, okay? No, I don't need your money, but you need training. A lot of you guys aren't trained. And if you're not trained, you won't know how to effectively make calls and close deals so you can fire your job and pay your bills off. So you got to invest some money in yourself. You're worth it. If you're not worth $1,000 to invest $1,000 in your personal education so that you can make $10,000 a month, go get a job. SMMA is not for you, Okay? Because in business, you have to sacrifice. Give up something of a lower nature to receive something of a higher nature. Give up a measly $400, $500, $600 on a training course so that you can make $10,000 a month. Okay? So that's the first thing. The next thing you got to do is go through the course. Lock yourself in your room, okay, for 2 days. And you devour that course. You watch every video. You look over the shoulder of the instructor. And you follow everything. You read that script and you master it. Once that's done, you grab the smartphone and you say to yourself, because Maurice is telling you guys this is very important, okay? People are going to say no! Okay? People aren't going to show up. People are going to say, okay, you can follow up with me, but they won't be there. Okay? When you go to close, people are going to say, I can't afford it, and all type of excuses. But you keep going. Because if you do that 10 times, gang, you're going to get 1 or 2 people to give you a credit card authorization form. And you know what a credit authorization form is going to do, ladies and gentlemen? It's going to bring you the money. The money. This is what you want, the money. You're going to get the money. And then you do the same thing. You wash, rinse, and repeat the process. You just keep doing it. You do it for the next 90 days, okay? You master that one strategy of prospecting. Then, once you master that one strategy of prospecting, then you can go on to something else, okay? And that's the secret sauce. You focus. Your mind is gonna tell you that you can't do it, but I'm telling you, you can. This stuff is easy, okay? It's easy. It's not simple, but it's easy. That means that anybody from the age of 14, 13 to 50, 60, 70 can do SMMA because business owners need clients. They need calls, okay? And you can hire somebody to set the ads up. What are you guys doing? Let's go. Let's go. Cut this video off. Click the link in the description if you don't have the course. Get training. If you can't afford it, you want to make excuses, you watch every video. I did a 30-day challenge. You watch all of my 30-day challenge videos, okay? And you apply it and you go to work and you do it for 90 days. Don't let yourself off the hook, gang. You should have your first client this month after this video. No excuses. I'm gone. Click the link in the description. Comment below. Hit the thumbs up. You're not a subscriber, subscribe. It's your Uncle Maurice. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.